How to see your diamonds on CoinMarketCap app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your diamonds on CoinMarketCap app easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to the app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click on the settings option. After you click on settings, now you will find this page. Choose my diamonds right here, as you can see, and you will find all your diamonds here. This is my diamonds. I have 10, and you can every day collect diamonds, as you can see from here. Day 1, day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.